guys. Friday bushworkers here. Bushwalkers. Friday the 27th.
She's a short memory there, mate.
27th of March.
I'm getting a bit old, you know.
You're going to mention the late start?
Well, you know, we're retired, mate. Doesn't matter what time we start.
Yeah, true.
Gary and I started real late one day. It was about 4 in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. We're our night walk.
This is. Oh, you just want this to turn into a night walk.
Hey, a night walk would be great.
Well, we didn't bring our
Only
lights.
problem, no lights.
No lights, yeah. No water, no lights.
We're a lovely.
Anyone would think we had other things on our mind?
Oh no. Well, we're lovely Kilcare, and we just got to go find some water for. Well, somebody forgot to put his water in, didn't he?
And would you believe yesterday it was 30 degrees?
Yeah.
And today it's
I know,
what?
15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And feels
It's
like-
cold.
feels like less.
It is cold. It does feel cold.
Righto, let's do it. What a beautiful day on the beach. I think the weather's coming in, but by the looks of that, it's looking like it's going to be hitting us, but anyway. That's Sydney there. You can see Sydney. Here, boys. Is that the dividing
I was just
line?
wondering if Kilcare and Putty Beach are divided by a lagoon.
Well, you
Check the map.
have to check the map. Yeah, that looks like it could be. Look at that tree. All the stuff is washed down.
Well, it's like a channel there, isn't it?
Yeah,
Come down, there may not be a lagoon. There might be a little bit of a lagoon in there.
could be.
Look. No, there's not.
No lagoon.
No lagoon.
Only if it rains really heavy.
Dooly dooly, it's cold and windy here. Ah,
Quite a long beach.
it is.
It is now.
It is a long beach, yeah. Yeah. How good is this?
We're not going to be overheating today.
No.
No.
How good is this? There's our accommodation for the night, boys.
Oh yes, it looks very stable.
Yeah.
It's half built.
Yeah.
Did you bring your hoochie?
Oh yeah. I need to bring 2 of them to make it big enough. I think we found the lake. Oh, what's that? Is it this way? We finally found the lake. The lake's, here's the lake, boys.
There's a lake.
How good's that? This looks good, doesn't it? Hello, Cocky! He's rather quiet, isn't he? Amazing along here. Look at this. Unbelievable. How good is this? Amazing.
Hello.
Hello there. Yeah.
Hey, check this out. Look, someone's went to the trouble of actually putting pavers down there. How good's that?
They've worn down a bit though.
Yeah.
They must be the Romans.
Is that a Roman road?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to be Roman anywhere. It's still there.
Is this a natural tessellation or is this?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's naturally concrete. How good's that?
But it's sort of like a lattice, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that's just a form of crystal, like it's a large crystal.
Yeah. Goes right to the edge. This formation looks amazing too. Check these rocks out. How good is this? How good is this? You know, normal people think of days like this to stay at home in the warm. Little do you know, this is the best place to be. Yeah, it is. Good for you. This is where we were designed to be, mate. Right? Many moons ago.
Yeah.
Hanging out under a rock. Yeah. Good mate. Horse sport. Guys, that was a lovely walk.
It was a good walk.
Nice little walk along Kilcare Beach and up over the rock face.
Cold day in a run of warm days.
What a beautiful, it was a beautiful day.
Great for walking.
Yeah, great for walking.
We should do it again next Friday.
We should, there's an idea.
That's a point.
Yeah. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you later. Friday Bushwalkers. Bye. Oh no! Are you okay? Right on a rock again. Let's hit the edge of it. You poor thing. Are you okay?